Independent automotive repair shops are responsible for the majority of all post-warranty repair services in the United States. ASA has been a steadfast advocate for right-to-repair principles, the right of car owners and independent repair shops to access vehicle service information needed to diagnose and repair vehicles for decades. Our members are on the front lines of the vehicle data access issue and want to have access to the data necessary to repair our customers' vehicles. Since 2002, the vehicles Americans rely on have become increasingly sophisticated, and we know that the rate of innovation will only accelerate. The modern vehicle is essentially a computer on wheels, and just like a typical computer, an enormous amount of information is passed wirelessly to and from the vehicle. We call that wireless communication, telematics, and in many instances our shops would not be able to diagnose and fix problems without access to telematics. Although today automotive repairers have access to vehicle data necessary for repairs, our industry has been concerned about the path forward for obtaining data in the vehicles moving into the marketplace. That is why ASA announced it had reached a landmark agreement with automakers that ensures independent repair shops can diagnose and repair their customers' vehicles without hindrance from telematics or any other innovations. We look forward to working with the automakers and repairers to continue to have the data access needed to repair vehicles safely and correctly for all ASA members and their customers. We thank SCRS and the Alliance for their roles in this agreement. ASA will always represent what is best for our members and their businesses.